Hi, I'm Greg Stokes, a personal injury lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 things an insurance adjuster does not want you to know. The first thing, when you're in an accident, a lot of people are under the impression all they're entitled to is their medical bills, their lost wages, and their property damage. That's hardly the case. You're entitled to much more than that. When you're in an accident, you've gone through a lot. You've gone through a certain amount of pain, you've gone through a lot of trouble, and you might even end up with a permanent disability that's going to affect what you can earn over your lifetime. There's 2 categories of damages: special damages, where you can put a dollar amount like lost wages and medical bills, but then there's general damages. There's other things that there isn't a way to come up with an exact figure, but could increase the amount of your settlement substantially. And insurance adjusters don't want you to know about that. The second thing, when you talk with an insurance adjuster, if you're trying to do it without an attorney, you're not doing yourself a favor, because consistently they are trained to ask you to give them a recorded statement over the phone. And anything you say to them can and will be used against you. An example might be you're in an accident and you feel terrible about it, and you feel like maybe you're partially to blame. The moment you tell an adjuster that on a recorded statement, that admission will be used against you and may defeat your entire claim. The third thing insurance companies don't want you to know is there are many situations where you can collect and you receive a settlement even if there is no insurance on the other side. I know that sounds unbelievable, but most automobile insurance policies that are sold in the state of Georgia include uninsured motorist insurance. The figures are almost as high as 1 out of 4 people driving on the roads. Even though this is a mandatory insurance state, those people don't have insurance. Your own policy will protect you and permit you to make a recovery even though the other side may not have insurance. The fourth thing you should know, many times a person is injured as a result of something a friend or neighbor did. And they're afraid to make a claim because they think it's going to come back and hurt their friend or neighbor. I'll give you a great example. We had a case involving a large insurance company that insured a homeowner. The homeowner's child had a BB gun, and unfortunately the other child's eye was injured when the BB hit the kid in the eye. That insurance company first kind of did a little bit of a guilt trip on our client before they came to us. And our clients were very reluctant to make a claim against their neighbor. Their neighbor purchased insurance just for that situation. It doesn't come out of your friend or neighbor's pocket. It comes out of the insurance company's pocket. And that insurance was purchased not only to protect your neighbor, but to protect you and your children. Please don't be hesitant about making a claim. It never comes back to haunt your friend or neighbor. The last thing an insurance company doesn't want you to know is that 99% of cases are settled without a trial. A trial is hardly ever necessary. If you hire an attorney and you hire him at the beginning and he puts together the case nice and tight, he's got the facts, he's got the damages, he can prove the injuries, most of the time that case will never get to trial and the case will be settled. I hope these things have helped you. If they have, and you find yourself in a similar situation, I want you to call me and discuss the matter with me. We're here to concentrate on your problem. Please call me at 1-800-700-5050. Thank you for listening.